RentPackage, the free advertising online rent management platform. Sign a contract online. Manage your tenant, manage your available house, and manage your rent collection. www.rentpackage.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Pak. Today I'm going to show you how to install curtain rods. Tools and materials: hammer, marker, spirit level, tension rod, hammer drill, wall plug screws, eyelet curtain, double curtain rod bracket. This curtain is originally hung with a tension rod, which falls off easily. Therefore, we decide to use a double curtain rod bracket. First, mark where you would like to drill with a marker. Then take out the hammer drill and drill a hole. Put the wall plug into the bracket and put the screw in. Hammer the wall plug screw. Use the spirit level to check if it's horizontal. After checking, mark the spot. Then drill a hole. Hammer the wall plug screw. Lastly, sure the eyelet curtain onto the rod and it's done. Tips: wire the two holders in double curtain rod bracket, because double curtain rod bracket could hold both curtain and sheer curtain. In addition, besides double curtain rod brackets, there are also single curtain rod brackets. That's all for today.
This video is brought to you by RentPackage Technology.